Yun. Patapat Viaduct. Kaso masama ang panahon. Yun.
At the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing
Hello for the second time, Patapat.
while I stay in
Bakit ka ganyan?
but something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving
Yo!
behind
Pero ang linaw pa rin ng tubig mo, ha?
hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and
Patapat
dreams she'll
Viaduct.
never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored
Second
by
time
my
around.
feet. But
After
time
10
rolls on
years.
like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just
Tapos na tayo mag-drone shot. Buti kinaya ng drone kahit na medyo maano ang hangin. Tsaka maambon. Ayun. So, nung unang punta ko dito, apakainit naman. Hindi mo rin ma-enjoy yung mga picture-picture kasi sobrang init. Ngayon naman, pangalawang punta ko, maulan. Yun. Pero yung huling punta ko dito ay 10 years ago. So, ayos naman. Tour naman kami nun. Madami, isang van. Yan. So, ngayon, diretso na tayo ng Cagayan. At tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin sa Tugigaraw. Doon muna tayo mag-stay hanggang magdamag. Then tira na tayo ng Baler naman kinaumagahan.